What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, Chef Kui. Today we are making a refreshing grilled peach chicken salad with a peach vinaigrette dressing. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's whip it up. So we're going to start by making our vinaigrette. So into my blender, I'm going in with 2 small peaches that I sliced. We're going to blend them up until they're nice and smooth. Now I didn't peel mine, but that's totally fine because we're going to strain this dressing anyway. That way we won't have to worry about any chunks being in there. Next we're going in with some white wine vinegar and honey. We're going to give that a good blend. Next we're going in with our extra virgin olive oil. We're going to stream this in slowly so that way we can create an emulsion. We're going to allow this to continue to blend for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to throw in a chopped shallot or shallot. Now I should have added this in earlier when I threw the peaches in, but I forgot. So once we have our shallot in, we're going to allow it to blend for a few more seconds and then we'll be ready to strain it. Our vinaigrette is nice and smooth, so we're going to give it a good taste test. Add a little salt and pepper if needed. Cover it and set it aside. Now we're getting to the fun part. Let's work on our chicken. So here I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I sliced in half crosswise. I drizzled some olive oil on them and seasoned them up generously with some Cajun seasoning, seasoned salt, and paprika for color, of course. Make sure you guys get both sides. Alright guys, so we're ready to grill. So I have my grill pan here. Now if you prefer to fire up your outdoor grill, you certainly can, but it's a little too hot for me. I just added a little vegetable oil and olive oil on and went in with my brush to get the oil in between those grates so our chicken doesn't stick. Of course, we're going to grill our peaches first, so I'll let these go for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright guys, so our peaches are good to go. So we're going to remove those and set them aside. And now we're ready to cook our chicken. Now my chicken breasts weren't that thick, but I still let them grill for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. I just wanted to ensure that they would cook through. Now remember guys, you want to make sure your chicken is cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. Our chicken is cooked to perfection, so we're going to let it rest while we assemble our salad. I have some spring salad mix here. This is just a mixture of baby lettuce, baby greens, and radicchio. Now, y'all don't pay attention to the date on this package. I recorded this video way back in the beginning of June. But anyway, I gave my salad a good wash, threw it in my serving bowl, and now we're going in with our sliced grape tomatoes and red onions. Next, I'm going to sprinkle on some crumbled feta cheese or your cheese of choice, along with some chopped bacon. Alright guys, so this is actually optional, but I'm going to throw in some chopped pecans or pecans. You can omit this, or you can use walnuts or sliced almonds instead. And then we're going to throw in our grilled peaches. Alright guys, we're going to top it off with this delicious and juicy chicken that I went ahead and sliced up. We're going to sprinkle on a little more of the feta cheese, bacon, and pecans. Now on to the star of the show. Let's pour that yummy peach vinaigrette all over our salad. I ended up tossing it to make sure everything was evenly coated. And that is it, y'all. Our grilled peach chicken salad is complete. Don't walk, but run to the grocery store and grab y'all some peaches to whip this tasty salad on up. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.